dude. How you doing?
Dude! You just gonna assume my gender, bitch!
I don't know what the fuck you are.
Bitch, I don't need you anyways. Where's Scooby Tay?
Oh, he's at the store.
Oh, he's at the store?
Yeah, getting some good old oranges and chocolates.
Oh! Is that what he told you?
Yes.
You think he's coming back, bitch?
Probably.
What would you fucking think?
Probably.
Because when my dad went to the store, he never came back! He said he was gonna get some cigarettes. Well, I'm sure he did. He must have got 1,000 cigarettes, because I never saw that bitch again.
Oh, is that what he did to you?
Yes.
That's devastating.
It's okay, though. Because when I was 8, my dad left me. And when I was 9...
You're supposed to hold me down. Now you're holding me back. Now here's the sound of someone calling you back. One man great till they gotta be great.
Stella! Who are you? Being... doing... Stella, who is this bitch? You...
She ran. This is Lauren being held hostage.
Lauren! Hey, Lauren! I heard you like attention. Well, I love attention, too. So what you're gonna do is pet me, Lauren. Come here, Lauren. Lauren, please. Please!
She looks so confused.
Lauren, do you think I'm sexy, Lauren? I think you're sexy. Come here, you little bitch. Bring it to me, cop. Retro K. Retro K, bring me that good old cat. Oh, you come here, you little... Oh, yes, Lauren. Don't run from me, Lauren. You know you want it. Don't eat that asshole. I guess you couldn't handle all of this. Because you know I'm a bad bitch. Ain't that right, Retro K?
You already know.
Lauren, bring that ass back over here. Where is that for? Where's that fucking bitch? Trying to run from this woman. No one ever denied all of this. I don't know who that bitch thinks she is. But I'm the baddest bitch she'll ever meet in her life. Go ask Stale about me. She knows.
Oh, here comes Dylan.
Oh, there you are, you fucking bitch. Come here. No, bitch, you are gonna come. Bitch, you're gonna let me love you too. Oh, yeah, you like that shit, don't you? Yeah, you do want this attention. Well, you got it. You got it. You always begging for that damn attention. You got it. Who the fuck you running from, bitch? Well, anyways.
I like your hair. Let me.
Don't touch my hair.
Okay, I guess I won't then.
I tried to sex it away. And that shit works. You would know, right, Retro K?
Oh, all the time.
I heard some bitch named Kelly give you that good old puss vagina.
Oh yeah, in the bushes of her mom's funeral.
Oh, wow.
It was great.
Wow. You ain't considerate, bitch? You just gonna fuck her at her mom's funeral? What the fuck?
I think it was perfect.
And why is that?
Her mom was leaving. I was coming.
Oh, well, when you put it that way, I can't wait to go to your mom's funeral and we can fuck. How would you like that?
Sure.
Is that what you want?
Sure.
Good, I'll kill her tonight.
Okay.
Because I want you to fuck me.
What?
Oh. Oh.
Have you ever considered doing porn?
Oh, yes, honey, I've got a few porns. I hope they're not on the internet. You know, I be sucking dick. Anyways, yeah, I'm single if anyone's interested.
Do you have a puss vagina or a disco stick?
Well, you're just gonna have to wait and find out at your mom's funeral.
Oh, okay. I'm excited.
Does your mom have a disco stick?
I've heard.
Oh.
I heard.
So anyways, tell me about your music for 5 for 6 Giraffes.
Yes. So, like you just said, it's called 5 for 6 Giraffes, and it's Retro K and Goopy Tay, and we do music that's more on the pop spectrum, but a little bit of hip hop in there, and a little bit of rock.
Okay, so it sounds like you're all over the fucking place then.
Sounds about right.
You're all over the fucking place. You don't know what you want to do with your life!
Does anybody?
I sure do. I know I need a good funeral to look at. Oh, where's your cat, Lord? She was giving me the time of my life.
Uh,
She knows she wanted it though.
She's probably somewhere being a fat bitch.
I can't wait to meet your other cat, Diana.
Oh yeah, you'll love her. She's always sweet.
I'm gonna hold her for a good 25 minutes and then leave her ass at the gas station. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do.
Okay.
Do you like my scarf?
Yes.
Cause I want to scarf that pussy down.
Okay. I hate you. Okay.
Where's Scooby Tay?
Oh, he's at the store.
Oh, he's at the store?
Yeah, getting some good old oranges and chocolates.
Is that what he told you?
Yes.
Well, what if I told you he was right under me eating my puss as we spoke?
Oh my gosh, how you just gonna put me on the spot like that, you fucking bitch?
What?
Have all my business out there.
What?
I thought I told you to tell that bitch I was at the store.
Get your ass out! Oh my gosh. He just gonna keep eating this pussy. He doesn't matter.
I have questions.
What's the fucking questions you got, bitch?
How? Just how?
Well, why don't you come on down here and I'll show you.
Lord, I think
Come
I'm good.
on. Come around this couch, I'll show you, baby.
I think I'm good.
I'm going to show you. You just need to know that I'm going to.
Oh my god.
Come here.
Oh my god, no. Oh my god. Oh my god. Well, before I get sexually harassed, that'll be all for today.
Harass! Oh, yeah, you know me getting that ass.
Well, I'm Retro K, and this is...
This is none of your business! But this is the Christmas special, and I hope this puts you in the Christmas spirits. Soon we're gonna bake some cookies, open some presents, and of course, get some dick. Stay tuned!
Well, I'm Retro K, and this is Some Person, and I'm signing out. Bye!
Sexual